Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight.
Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If this is the first time that you're checking out a video, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now today we are going to talk about the Cuda, and this is a highly speculated vehicle. Every year that seems to go by, there's a ton of websites, ton of videos created speculating that the Cuda is potentially coming back, and I kind of wanted to go over some of the stuff that's out there. Is it a realistic option? Is FCA actually considering doing something like this? Now, there's a couple of reasons as to why many people believe that the Cuda is potentially coming back. The biggest reason would be the fact that they trademarked and renewed the trademark of Cuda. And many companies do this in an effort to prevent other companies from actually using that name. Just because they trademarked Cuda doesn't necessarily mean that they plan on using it. It could be for preventative measures. Another piece of evidence as to why many believe that the Cuda is going to be coming back is because there was actually official sketches, rough sketches of a Cuda that was released by FCA a while back. It also included what we now know as the Dodge Demon. It also had a Ram, some Jeeps, and, you know, very unofficial type of sketches, but the Cuda was in fact a part of those sketches. So, you know, like I said, every year tons of websites and videos are created speculating about the Cuda, and I think it's just something that a lot of people really want to see happen. So for me, there's only three realistic options to bring back the Cuda. The number one option would be the Challenger going away. And the reason why the Challenger would have to go away is because if you introduced a Cuda alongside the Charger and the Challenger, I don't think there's enough of a market share to have all three of them available. Many people would like to see the Chargers and the Challengers remain the same, and the Cuda basically become a smaller version like what we had with the Dart, you know, to the Challenger. So a more lightweight version of the Challenger. Unfortunately, I don't think there's enough market share for it to be worth it in FCA's mind. So the Challenger would have to go away. And this is a stretch because of how much time and energy has been invested in the Challenger brand. You have, you know, all these halo cars, you have, you know, the red eyes, and just too much marketing and too much money has been invested in the Challenger name alone to kind of kiss it goodbye. So option one, I believe, would be the least realistic of the three that I'm going to be bringing up. The second option would be to have a special edition Challenger, kind of like a heritage or some kind of, I guess it would be a special edition or like a limited production type of heritage Cuda. And, you know, it would be, I guess, an SRT ACR, a Challenger that is super lightweight, has the ability to turn, and really just make it a, you know, I guess a Dodge Demon-esque kind of vehicle. A certain amount are made, and that's that. The last option that I wanted to hit on would be a Viper replacement. Now, since the Viper has gone away, there has been kind of a missing piece to the Mopar community, and that is a track-focused vehicle. Now, the beautiful part about the Viper was that it was limited production, or it was just so expensive that the majority of people really didn't go out and just get it. So you can make a Cuda that is in the $100,000 range, and its real sole purpose would be to hit up the tracks, you know, really challenge many of the vehicles like the GT500s and the ZL1s and the ZR1s, really put all of the SRT and ACR technology into the Cuda and make it a track-focused monster. Again, all three options are very, very highly unlikely to happen. I don't see the Cuda name really ever making its way onto a Charger or a Challenger or in any kind of a Mopar lineup. Many people have discussed bringing a Chrysler Cuda out, which would be very interesting, but I don't think FCA would want to create a competition between the Challenger and the Cuda. You know, so I don't know, guys. You know what? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm certainly interested to hear what your thoughts are. What do you think FCA should do with the Cuda name? Also, too, they have the trademark Angel, so who knows? Maybe you get yourself a Cuda Angel of some sort. Either way, definitely an interesting topic, and a ton of these, you know, really cool renderings of the Cuda always pop up every single year. It's interesting, but again, I don't know if we're ever going to see it. It's just too much time and money has been invested in the Charger and the Challenger nameplates, and I don't see them going anywhere, and there's not enough of a market share for a third, you know, trim or model added to it.
So we missed it. With all the regular cars. Yeah.
Shackle on the beat.